Welcome to Wednesday's Thought for the Day. If you haven't already read today's Bible passages, you may like to at least read Joshua 3 now. I'd never driven on the continent, on the wrong side of the road. I was feeling very green after a long, rocky boat ride, and we had 3 young children on board. It was decades before sat-navs, and I realised I had no clue how to get to our friend's house. We found a tram stop with a couple of guys chatting. One knew the road we were looking for, and he began to give directions. Then he stopped and said, "Follow me." He got in his car, and we dutifully and trustingly followed on. Oh, joy to see our friends. We're navigating a strange world, one we've not been in before. Everything feels different. How we relate to people, how we eye people in the street, how we may acknowledge an underlying fear of being near others. And the news has been dominated by the road map. The people of Israel had never been this way before. They needed a reference point, a guide. The Ark of the Covenant symbolized the active presence of God. God would be their leader. Though they had to be socially distanced from the ark out of reverence, they were called to follow God through this pathway. In Luke 9, we find the disciples were also well out of their comfort zone. But Jesus called them to follow him as well, as they journeyed down the road to discovery. A prayer. Father, when I feel so lost in this new world, help me to follow your tail lights. Amen. I have gone astray like a lost sheep. Seek out your servant.